Hello everyone. Welcome back to JK Max. Today, I will show you how to fully disassemble the Samsung Galaxy F62 and also how to carefully remove the AMOLED display without damage. Let's begin. Use the SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM card tray. Open the back panel. Now unscrew all the visible screws holding the mid-frame or plastic cover. Keep the screws safely to avoid losing them. Take a small piece of tape and stick it over the power V volume up and down switch. This helps prevent the switch from slipping or getting pressed accidentally. Gently remove the mid-frame or fingerprint scanner housing using a prying tool. Now disconnect all flex cables from the motherboard. Display flex. Now it's time to remove the AMOLED display. Gently heat the front screen evenly using a heat gun or LCD separator for about 2 to 3 minutes. Use a suction cup to lift the display slightly from the edge. Then insert a plastic card or thin tool and slowly move along the edges to separate the display from the frame. Important, be extra careful. Samsung's AMOLED displays are very thin and fragile. Avoid inserting metal tools or applying too much pressure. Now, let's move on to disassembling the display of the Samsung Galaxy F62. Make sure the device is completely powered off before you begin. Using the right tools is important. Grab a plastic prying tool, a suction cup, and LCD separator machine. Gently apply some heat of the display to soften the adhesive. Once the adhesive is warm, carefully use the suction cup to lift the screen slightly. Then slide the prying tool around the edges to loosen it without causing any damage. Take your time, don't rush this process. Patience is key to avoiding cracks or internal damage. Once the display is separated, inspect the connectors and the display panel for any signs of wear, damage, or malfunction. Check if the flex cables are properly attached and look for any dust or corrosion. With the display removed safely, we're now ready to test it and move on to the next step of the repair or replacement process. Now your Samsung F62 is fully